Okay, so we have to prove the point. These points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So in order to do that, we can name these vertices and A, B and C. An isosceles triangle has two similar sides and one larger side. So we need to prove that these are the vertices of that isosceles triangle, A, B and C. So now let us take these points A as B and C. So in order to do that, we need to find the distance between these vertices. That we can name this as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. We can find the vertices between A and B using x2 minus x1 plus whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. That becomes root of 106. Now we will find B minus C, that is x3 minus x2 plus y3 minus y2. No, we will find for B, and so that becomes this. Now we will find CA, that is x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1, that becomes this. So now in order to find the isosceles triangle, we need to add these sides, whole square of these sides A and B, that is equal to C. So whole squaring this and this, that comes to this, which is the side of CA. Hence it is proved that this is an isosceles triangle because AB square plus BC square comes to CA square.